In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an Odoo database step by step. This is a very common task if you're testing Odoo, using a demo database, or cleaning up unused databases from your account. I'll walk you through the entire process using Odoo Online, so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't accidentally delete the wrong database. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Odoo and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Odoo Demo and press Enter. From the search results, look for the option that says Demo Odoo Online and click on it. This will take you to the official Odoo demo environment, where you can access temporary databases created for testing and learning purposes. Once the demo page loads, you'll see the Odoo interface. Look toward the top right corner of the screen where your account or profile area is displayed. Click on the highlighted profile or account icon. This is where Odoo stores account-related options, including database management. After clicking the profile or highlighted area, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on myodoo.com account. This will redirect you to your Odoo account dashboard, where you can see all the databases associated with your account. Now that you're inside your Odoo account page, scroll down until you find the section that lists your databases. Here, you'll see the name of each database, along with details like its expiration date and status. Take a moment here to double-check the database name. This is very important, because once a database is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Next to the database you want to remove, look for the option to manage or delete the database. Click on the Delete option. Odoo will usually ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletion. You may be prompted to enter your account password or confirm the database name again.